This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Regina Scott. Ask me about the $2,024 in closing cost assistance available. Completely renovated and turnkey for the new owners. The upgrade list goes on, including a new floor plan with a new roof, drywall, electrical wiring, water heater, HVAC, siding, and 6 new windows. If you are looking for a home that offers low maintenance, this is the one. It is a single-story ranch floor plan with a large primary bedroom featuring a walk-in closet and a full ensuite bathroom. In addition, a fabulous mudroom/laundry room with a half bath was added off the kitchen, leading to the new back deck. Enjoy the serenity offered by the level, private backyard. To keep the house's charm, the original hardwood floors have been refinished to make the space shine. October 25, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Regina Scott at 757-873-6900.